Uh, Ganga, you need to provide access.
So it's available for let me just check. So it's available for everyone.
No, it's mentioned as view only.
Oh, okay, 1 second. So you'll have to make a copy. Maybe I will give you a different sheet, sir. I'll give you.
Achha, okay. No, not required. Forget it. I'll take it. Please go ahead. Yes,
Yeah, Mr. I think Ashita, Mr. You can just start. The problem is they're facing some connectivity issues inside since the Wi-Fi is not enabled and all, and the system doesn't support DC Live. So that is the reason where they're struggling.
So how do you want to do it now?
Yes, you can give the Meet link. No, they can connect with Meet link.
Yeah. I already shared the Meet link now. She's trying to join.
I think Meet link should support. Maybe DC Live site, if not, Meet link should support.
Yes, the Meet link should work. Mr. Ashita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
We are not able to hear you.
Hashita, but who are the members? Hashita, Misriya? Hishtita. Right? Three of you?
Yes.
Hello, can we present in the next slot? Because there is a,
No, there's no next slot. This is the last slot.
Okay.
Why? What is the challenge?
Unable to present that screen.
Why? You're using the Google Meet link, right?
Yeah.
No, we are able to see your screen
okay,
now.
Okay, it's done now. Okay, done.
Yes. So I think you can start.
Yeah.
You're able to see the screen. Is it presented?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
I'm not able to see.
So Raju,
okay,
you're on the
all right.
mobile, sir?
Yeah, got it. Got it.
Hi everyone, I'm Nisriya, captain from AI Model United Team. This is an app for office use. In case of this create this app, nowadays the employee are connected with other social media apps. Why they are getting break time? Instead of this, they can use this app because they can get all information about the company in a one platform. Even they can get updates of monthly events, upcoming festivals, birthday batches, award and recognitions. So now I can present here. This is the password and employee can log in only their company emails and their own chosen passwords.
Sorry to interrupt. So Ganga, this is Model Makers is presenting now a CrewX hackathon.
No.
Which team?
So Syed, this is AI Moderators United.
Okay.
So I have put the number in the chat box. So it's CBH-T039.
Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Can I continue?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Please go ahead.
In the left side, we can see this codes like Crew Brown, Vibes, Calendar, Celebrations, Chat, Search, Tweets, and Insight Box and Childhood. In the Crew Brown, here the employees can upload their moods of currently moods, what they are facing on this office, and they can also upload the photos and videos of their gallery. Then, if I can upload this photo, so the other viewers like the photo, and he can comment like my photo, like it's very nice, and they can also use emojis. Then I can also like the other things, photos and share reels. And then the next section is wipes. In a wipe section, the employees can upload their photos, reels, their talent. For example, if you have a singing talent, he can upload their his singing and or her singing, dancing, the videos on the
Now,
here.
Vishriya,
Okay, sir.
now,
Okay.
just before getting into the demo part of it, now I want you to have the presentation in a structured manner. What was the brain behind why you want to choose this model? What is the problem solution? What is your statement with respect to how you want to encompass this particular problem? And what are the tools that are used, right? The AI tools, and why it was used. And then go about going for the demo. This is the structure of how a presentation has to happen. Is it possible for you to start from the beginning with this structure in mind?
Okay, sir.
Because if you straight away go into the demo, we don't understand the head and tail of it.
Okay.
You start with
Actually,
your
this
problem
one.
statement.
Okay,
Sorry?
sir. Okay. Actually,
Sorry,
this
ma?
one social media app.
This is a social media app. Okay.
Oh, this is social media app. Only used for office employees.
Mm-hmm. What is the problem
It's
statement?
only for this is a problem solver. If nowadays the employees are using the other social media apps, then they are break time. But this is our office own app, so they can connect with the employees with each other. They can get updates of office and company, and they can connect other views in this app in one
I
platform.
think Yash,
Mhm.
I think Yash has raised his hand.
Yeah, I just
Ash.
want to add to what Ms. Riya. So initially the problem statement here was, Rajan, so long back we had a platform like DC Intranet. So which was basically something replicating social media site, but something for only the employees, the Desi Crew family. So where each and everyone from different parts of the world were able to connect, and they can also like interact, post something on a real-time basis, anything related to work or outside work and all. So that was a DC Intranet application. They were like along with the post, something similar to the Insta or the Facebook and other things and all. And people were also able to connect with each other, chat and other things, express their views and all. So then, but then it was like it's not available right now. It was stopped. But then what Mr. came up with this idea was basically something similar, but with the recent trend. The recent trend is most of them when they go out in the breaks, they use other social media applications. Some of them will be doing some short reels and other things and all. So she came up with this idea of Crew Connect. So where people even outside the work, apart from the work, even outside the working hours, rather than using the other applications, they can also use this application and stay connected. They can showcase their talent and express their views and all. So that was the mind behind this idea.
But currently, what is the application that we all the crewmates use at this point in time?
Apart from DC Live, there is no other application which you're using for this thing. It's the social media, normal social media platform only, or is what people use. But we don't have anything like that for our employees or something like DC Intranet, which we had before.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So there's
Okay.
nothing like that as of now.
Okay, now intranet will. What was the intranet earlier consisted of, and what is Crew Connect is going to be there? What are the features that are going to be there as part of Crew Connect?
So, see, intranet was basically something I can say long back we had, before Facebook, we had Orkut. So it was something, the features or the more of the design was something related to that, similar to that. Whereas now the Crew Connect is mostly covering most of them are using Instagram nowadays. So it's basically using all those features what is covered in the Instagram, but in different terminologies. Like it's not the reels, but maybe Mr. used something else like wipes, right, Mr.?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Really
So you want to add something to this,
great
Miss Ria?
points.
What are the other features in this?
That is a calendar, and in this calendar, we have to see the upcoming monthly events. Actually,
Yeah, monthly
in our
events,
office,
right?
yeah, like next time in September, it's sports day. In October, it's Good Deepa, and it's November Saturday, December is Secret Santa, and upcoming festivals also Deepavali, Christmas, Eid al-Fitr,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and we can
Okay.
see the. Okay, sir.
So just to add over here now, as she mentioned, the upcoming events and the upcoming festivals or the calendar events and all, what happens is whenever, like for example, the recent one when we had the Independence Day, okay, we had celebrated in the office, we send the photos to the Slack group and mails and everything. But then people will be celebrating certain things on their own also, and they would want to share it. So maybe this would be a platform where maybe someone sitting in one part or one center can post it here, and all the JC Group family can see, can know him, can react, can respond, can comment. So basically, social media thing, but something within JC Group.
Okay. Okay. Any questions, Mohan and Syed?
Yeah, just one. So Yash, do we have any control mechanism here, like the admin access? Because there could be a context, or there could be a contents which is not, I mean, it could be a restricted one. So do you have that kind of control here?
Yes, I think that is available as of now, since this is not a complete final thing. They have just done it as a demo. Like to get the complete access, I think you need to pay and all. So then this is just an outline or but generally all of these have this admin access and all.
Okay.
And they can add more users, more credentials, can create more credentials and all.
So Yash, I think let me reframe my question. I'm not asking about the admin access. I'm asking about the control. Do we have a control where whatever the things being, any content is being posted
Okay,
here,
yeah. You
it
mean
has
to
to be
manage the
checked.
content?
Exactly. It has to be checked, and whatever is no valid or applicable, that can be only no post. Otherwise,
So
everyone
basically,
can
you're
post
saying
anything.
something like an approve. If someone posts something, before it reflects, it has to be approved by someone.
Absolutely.
Got it, got
Because
it. Yeah,
because
Mr. I
because it
think,
is. I
yeah.
believe this tool is going to be used for the overall organization, right?
Correct.
So anyone can post anything. So do we have any
Right.
control mechanism? That's what my basic question.
Yeah, I think Ms. Ria, Ashita, can you just share your views on this?
Yeah, Vishwambara, you want to say something?
Yeah, okay. So it's just a mock-up data, right? Like it's not connected to any data. So we can we,
Yes.
okay, it's totally a mock-up data. No backend, right? Okay, it's something similar. Have you ever used like this one, metadata? Sorry. This one, workplace for Meta. It's like, it's a closed social media. It's only like, whatever you have developed here, it's already there. You just only, it's same as a Slack. Okay. Even most of the things what you are doing here, we can do it in Slack. But what is the key point here? Like what is something unique in your platform?
No, see, there's nothing unique, Vishwambara. As I explained, basically this is a platform just for the JC Crew family, where the crewmates can connect. As the name suggests, it's Crew Connect. So Instagram is something where outside the crewmate, the entire world, everyone can connect.
I mean, there is
But
something called Meta for Workplace. It's same as Team. You have used this one, Microsoft Teams. So in Microsoft Teams, most of the features are already there. So it's
maybe something similar to that, but our own application or our own platform.
No, this is very good concept. I mean, see, like we will be having every all the what is going on within the organization. We can see in one platform. That's good. But as of now, what you said, like it's just a mock-up data. It looks very basic. So is there any point which we can say this is unique or this is something which we really need? Because everything is which we can say like it's already, I have seen this one. But
So Yash, sorry, Rajan. So Yash,
Yeah,
I
go
mean,
ahead.
coming back to the same question that, so we do have a control mechanism, right? I mean, the admin management, okay, that is good. Second thing, how does it differs from the current Slack or HRMS? Because there are few
Yeah.
things which is very similar to HRMS or it could be Slack. So how does it differs? And what are the features which does not cover here? So what do you say?
Yeah. So, see, basically, HRMS covers the calendar events and other things and all, but generally, it doesn't give you that visual, visual exposure in terms of what your other social media platform provides. Like, for example, I can't go and create a small short video or reel related to the upcoming event, or I can't even post a photo, or nor any other crewmates can post a photo in HRMS. So, similarly,
Slack?
if you look
Okay, I
in the
got it.
Slack again. Yeah, in the Slack again, there are certain restrictions like the number of users, and then it's not that interface is not that easier like the social media platform. So
Can you
that is
just
the
give me an
main
example? Can you just give me an example where it has
Let's see, basically
restrictions,
the
limitation
limitation
in
in
Slack?
terms of if you look at the current design of this particular thing, this is more of replicating or the easy access which is followed in the Instagram. Like you just go on scrolling up. Whereas in Slack, like you need to go and go through each channels, and it won't be if you are not opening it, then a lot of posts will be just piled up. You won't be able to view it in the scroll manner.
Okay. So yes, just stick to this approach. I think that will be helpful. Three things, like Rajan has already highlighted. What is the problem statement? What action being taken? I mean, while taking action, we use some tools, some methodologies, some strategies. That is second. Third one, what is the result? So can we just to go back to square one, which is what is the problem statement? You can say in nutshell.
Problem statement, as I understand, with whatever the history and you have mentioned now, Yash, is in terms of we don't have an intranet, hence Crew Connect is being proposed.
Yes, basically everyone internally can connect with each other, then can share even apart from their work, some photos or videos or talent or other things can be posted. They can connect with each other. And one additional thing is it also covers certain games and all.
So is my understanding right? That's what the purpose is, right?
I think, Yash, if you can say in description that, the Slack or HRMS is not user friendly. This is going to be more user friendly. That's what you're trying to say?
Yes, more user friendly, more interactive, and easier to go to scroll through all the contents.
So the problem statement would be the current. So the problem statement should be the current Slack or HRMS is not friendly. That is a problem statement. Am I right?
No. This is not a replica for Slack or HRMS. The purpose of Slack and HRMS is totally different. The purpose of this is totally different. Like I explained in the beginning itself, this is basically a platform for all the crewmates, for the entire Desi Crew family to connect socially, apart from the work, non-work.
Yes. Sorry to ask you again. So you are giving the result to me. Okay. You are explaining the result. What is the result you are getting? But what is the problem statement?
So, okay, now let's, suppose if crewmates have to connect on a platform. So where is the platform? Previously, we had DC Intranet. But right now, there is no such platform. And this is a problem statement. And to fill in that, to cover up that platform, that area, this is a platform.
Okay. So Rajan, I think I'm good with it.
Yeah, we can go ahead. I think we can go ahead with whatever was the explanation given by thing. We can go ahead, please.
I think Mohan.
Yeah, Mohan also has raised the hand. Please, Mohan. Yes, Mohan.
Yes. Yeah.
Hi,
yes. So, couple of questions. So, are we implemented any security standards? Protocols in this application, like so, for example, I may not comfortable with share my personal detail, and for example, so we can't download our personal profile, or we can't take a snapshot, or we can't download any videos. So we know that this is the Desi Crew family, right? So anyone can download, anyone can, take a snapshot. or even our personal. So what are the security standards applied here? Are we
Yeah, I
think through
think,
like that?
yeah, I'll route this question to Arshita and Misriya.
I think, Yash, I think it is the same thing which I have echoed the same. I mean, the management control point, where inputs and outputs cannot be without restrictions.
No, the approving part is covered, but then the question what Syed in terms of downloading or accessing the content after
Correct.
posting, so anyone can just go and download.
Even I take a screenshot of someone's profile, right? Even social media, a lot of controls is there. Even Facebook, we can secure our profile. We can't even not. I'm not a follower for someone. I can't see their profile or anything. So
Yes,
why should I
that is covered.
use this
That is
application?
covered, Mohan. So suppose if I send you a request and if you accept the request, only then I can look at your post.
Okay.
So and if
So
you
how
don't want
will
to
we are
accept me,
removing that
if
even
you don't want
someone
to
is
accept me,
resigned
you
or
can reject my request. Like as you see there, the suggestions on the right side, it shows Nazia.
Correct.
So tick and cross. So if you click on tick is accept. If you click on tick cross is like you can reject the request. So that option is there.
Okay. One more thing, Yash. So how frequently we are checking that database frequently? So someone is resigned from Desicrew, right? Some details are unwanted to them, right?
No,
So
I
how
think
frequently
this
we are
entire-
removing or accessing?
Yeah, exactly. Like as she mentioned in the beginning itself, this tool will be accessible only for the Desicrew IDs. So suppose if a person is like obviously is like exit case is resigned, then his Desicrew ID is disabled, then obviously you won't be able to access this.
But this password is specifically aligned to log in this application, right? Then I need
Yes.
only that Desicrew email ID and password.
Correct.
Then why should I have
Only
that
that. Only
email?
that. No other
Yeah.
credentials can be used.
So
But
it is
here
more
one
into-
thing, let's see, again, this is one question leading to another, Yash. Because now you are saying it is once the email ID is deactivated upon a person's resignation, then he or she will not be able to access this
Correct.
particular Crew Connect, right? That is number one.
Correct.
Now,
Correct.
if you look at the entire scheme of things, not all the 1,500 employees have got official email IDs. At the max,
Right.
would be around 600 to 700 email IDs would be there. Okay.
Right.
So now, from that perspective of having a problem statement and trying to create a solution for 600 people, do we need an intranet as a solution, as a
Not
Crew
for
Connect as a
600,
solution?
Rajan. No, not for 600. Like I understand, like all the 600 don't have their G Suite Desicrew.in, but they can create some of them have their Zoho Desicrew.in IDs, and also further we can extend this to whatever the official mail IDs will be creating. So we can provide access only to those mail IDs.
No, for example, if somebody creates rajan.desicrew@gmail.com, where I'm
No,
going to
that
say I'm
actually-
going to use only for.
No, access has to be provided, right? That mail ID has to be added over here.
No, there is no
Get this
email.
access.
I'm talking about a Gmail or a Ymail. It's it's on the other applications. See, that's the reason we keep actually we are everywhere, but we are not coming to the core aspect of this Crew Connect. That's what we are discussing. So many things around it, because we are not able to get gauge in terms of what exactly you intend to do. You're talking about substitute for intranet, which was there in the past. No problem, no issues. Crew Connect. Other than that, you want to celebrate. This is a Desicrew social media platform. Correct?
Correct.
This is the second statement that you have made, right? Now, then you are saying it is not a substitute for Slack or HRMS.
Right.
It is an independent entity where crewmates can interact like the way Facebook is within the system.
Correct.
Where is the server going to be residing? Now, there are the other problem statements which we are trying to add is what Mohan said, Syed said, what Ayaz said, and what Vishwamar is talking about, saying that there's only it's not a metadata. It's only a sample data which you're working. Now, how exactly the controls are going to be as far as this is concerned? Because once it is using the AI tools is one aspect of it. How technically it is viable or technologically it is viable where we have the controls when we host it. For example, if Crew Connect is getting hosted on the Desicrew server, what sort of control mechanisms we should possess is a fundamental question that IT team will definitely going to come and ask. So as part of that, do you have a solution as a team is the question. Okay, that's very critical. When you go live with Crew Connect, these are the questions which will be paramount for anybody to implement, as an organization for us to implement. So so the question is that what sort of controls and mechanisms and what sort of steps that you're going to adopt, where you're going to, if you're going to pitch this to IT team, saying that these are the security measures we have, so that the data is not leaked. For example, anybody in the intranet can fetch the data and post it in their social media.
Right.
For example, you're talking about, it seems it is an internal social media network of Desi Crew. There is a possibility that somebody is going to lift the content from this platform and post it in their platform.
Right.
How are we going to protect such events?
Got it.
Hope you understand the rationale behind all of the observations that you're raising. That this is very critical for us, even as a team. When you have come all the way to this level, which is appreciated. Now, if we are trying to, say for example, you are between the situation where between this meeting and going live. So all the questions are leaning towards that only.
Okay,
so that's the reason so many questions are being raised. Yeah,
no problem. So to answer all of this, see, the background right now over here is in terms of access. This has been limited to Desi Crew IDs and even the Desi Crew employee codes also. So basically, if that is added only for the IDs or the employee codes, which has been added in the backend, only access would be provided for that. So anyone just can't go and create the mail ID and create. So I think the entire control will be with the admin itself.
Okay.
So
the first and foremost, you are saying any G Suite or Zoho Desi Crew email IDs are only allowed to use this platform.
Correct.
Also,
okay. Other thing, along with the mail ID, we can also use we have already started using the employee code because those are unique IDs.
Okay.
That is one. And now in terms of the security, that is like suppose if someone, I post a photo, someone might take a screenshot or download it or post it somewhere else. So no, you can't go and download the photos from this. So that has been covered is what I got to know from the team.
No. The got to know from the team is not the statement. We have to be very firm because because all this leads to certain evaluation criteria and things. So the answer should be very, very simple and straight and crisp.
What I would like to say over here is maybe we can allow Ms. Priya and Arshita to go through that and explain.
We have all the time to hear. Even though we are delayed, now the time is around 4 to 5. And because since you joined 10-15 minutes, there was a technical issue. This is taking time. Nevertheless, we will wait till another 5-10 minutes and please wrap it up within that.
So Arshita and Ms. Priya, so you can just take us through the application and also can you just show them if the photos can be downloaded or not downloaded?
Then even if somebody wants to take a screen grab in their mobile phone, that also is possible, right?
Is it possible, Arshita?
I think the meeting is not. Yeah, sorry.
They can't download the photos and videos because it's not they are not optional to download the photos.
Screenshots.
Mr. Your voice is not audible.
But Yash, I think your voice is perfectly fine. Ms. Priya's voice is not able to hear.
No, I'm joining from outside. I'm not in office.
I understand.
Yeah. So, Mr. Can you
what security algorithm is applied for the taking screenshot disabled, right? What kind of security algorithms are included in your application? Anything? Are you got my point? We have applied some security algorithms, right? So, what kind of algorithms you are applied or implemented while in this application?
Sir,
But
in this app,
uh,
we can't take this. We can't take the download the photos
Con-
and videos.
Okay.
Sri and Sri Lekha, now does this team need time for us to answer? Yes, does your
The
team need
employee can
time?
only log in
Are-
with the employee code and the basic email ID. Hello.
No, you
Yeah.
are not audible.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible now. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, Harshita.
Go ahead, Harshita.
Harshita, my question is name of the algorithm you are used in this application to secure or disable the downloading or taking screenshots. What is the security algorithm you are applied?
So this is a normal this is a normal demo app we are created in the use of a Firebase. Hello.
Okay, but you said we can't download any image or video, we can't take a screenshot, right? What is the
Yeah, because
No.
there are
Can-
not options to download the videos and photos.
But still,
How
screenshot
you
can be
implement
taken,
it?
right, Mr.
What, sir?
You can't download. I understand the option is not provided, so you can't download. But then you can
Yeah.
still take a screenshot, right?
Yes.
So it is
Okay, so that-
accessible
Yes, sir.
through mobile, right? Yeah, Yash or Harshita, it is accessible through mobile, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so anytime you can take the screenshot.
Yeah.
Okay, I think
But
Yash
can't
and
download the
Harshita.
video.
No, that's okay, but still the photos are valid, right? I mean, it is again confidential. So Yash, Harshita, and Mishri, I think the questions from Rajan, Mohan, or Vishwamra, or me, I think it's revolving around the security thing, right? Security is a big concern because it is a social media tool you're saying. So the prime concern for everyone, it's revolving around only the security things. And I'm not sure you guys have discussed with the IT team that what are the control mechanism we are put in place. I think that needs to be discussed first. I think you guys are not yet prepared. I understand that because we need to connect with the IT team and come up with the ideas that what are the things to be put in control mechanism, what are the algorithms, what are the applications. I think that is the main concern.
Yes, I think that has to be covered. Yeah, I think IT team support would be required in that.
Yeah, one more point.
Nevertheless,
Yes.
Nevertheless, you go ahead, Mohan. Sorry, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, one more point. We have already in the DC Live platform, Slack, HRMS,
Right.
to cover
Right.
this calendar and celebration. So why should I
Right.
add one more application in addition? This question is raised,
No,
right?
it's not.
When we are
This is not
implemented
a
to all the.
mandatory. Yeah, so Mohan, just to answer, this is not a mandatory application or something. See, HRMS is basically people generally use it only for punch in, punch out, lay request, or for to just look at certain anniversaries or birthdays, visual celebrations and all. It doesn't give you a visual representation.
No,
So
even we
this
can
was
see
only.
that any celebration videos already uploaded or photos. We can see the policies, everything
Yeah,
in
but then
calendars, right?
can people react or comment or if you're using Instagram, right?
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
This platform was mainly keeping that in mind. This is what they came up with. So then I was able to relate it to DC intranet because I don't know how many people have gone seen this DC intranet from this forum, but long back we had that platform DC intranet, which used to do the same thing, similar to that. So keeping that in mind is what they came up with this idea.
So Yash, just
Okay.
one quick question. So what are the benefits? Can you just list down 1, 2, 3 benefit out of this implementation or this idea?
See, as the name suggests, the first and foremost thing was crewmates can connect with each other apart from work and office-related celebrations. For example, if someone is celebrating something outside, he can still post it here with the Desikru family, within the Desikru family.
Yes, I just want the benefits, not the clarification. not the explanation. I totally understand that. I just
Yeah, it's a
want
Crew
the
Connect. It's a
gist.
Crew Connect platform, social media platform for the crewmates.
No, you didn't get my question. So Yash, I'm asking, what are the fruits, benefit out of this Crew Connect or social network? What are the benefits to the overall organization? What are you trying
For the
to achieve?
organization, you're saying.
Yeah, what are the benefits we are going to reap out of this implementation as a whole? So what are you trying to do?
Yeah, so
No,
mainly
that's the
your
question. What is the takeaway for Desi Group when you
Got
have
it.
to implement this? That's a
Got it.
question, right, Syed?
Right.
Yes, absolutely,
Got
Rajan.
Yeah.
2-3 points, just 2-3 points. How it is going to benefit us as an
See,
organization?
Yeah, so not in terms of business angle, I can't say like it's going to give any benefit and all, but then somewhere for the entire crewmates or the entire organization, there will be a sort of a social media platform where people can connect socially.
Again, Yash, I'm reframing my question. These are
So that is
explanations,
the only benefit what I
clarification.
can make out from this.
Sir,
No, these are
normally,
steps. These are, let me complete. Yash or Mishriya, these are your explaining, right? Clarification. But what is the benefit? See, there is a benefit. If you think you will get the benefit out of it, right? So what are the benefit, result, end result? People are connecting. Okay, people are appreciating. People are expressing their emotions. But what is the outcome? By using this
Outcome?
15 minutes, 20 minutes in a day, how is it helpful for the organization? You have an answer. Just think about it.
People are, I can say, well connected,
So
get to
what is
know
the
each
use of
other.
see, Yash, what is the use of connecting with people? Every day I connect, I say good morning, hi, I see their birthday wishes.
You
Okay,
get
but
to know the people more, you get to know about each other more, their
how
likes,
does it
their
help?
dislikes, their
Exactly,
mentality.
exactly. See, all this explanation, yes, you just to try to know, coming to the result, how does it is going to help the organization?
Mm,
You got
Mr.
the
You want
answer.
to?
You have the answer, but
Yeah,
just
I
think
know.
about it.
I'm trying to get
I'm
that
just
one word
triggering.
what you are expecting.
I'm just triggering.
Yeah, I know, I understand.
sir, in the office, the employees can connect this app. Actually, for example, if one employee is in the Google process and another employee is in from Model, so they can connect all the time in office because
What,
their floors are so far. So we can connect
Harshita?
in app.
Harshita, yes, that's what Yash is trying to say. It is connecting. See, because the name itself implies that it is a connecting. Okay, but what is the use of connecting? It is not going to impact
For
your
example,
transaction,
sir.
a business,
For
okay,
example,
but mhm,
Say for example, if my
mhm,
friend is in a Google process, so today's her birthday, so I can't wish
mhm,
her in my floor.
okay,
So
mhm.
actually, I have a busy in my work, so I can't go to that Google floor. So I can use this app and I can wish her.
Okay, what is the impact of wishing? See, let me go into
Because
little
she's my best
detail.
friend, so I'm not
No,
hurt with
that's
her.
that's okay, Arshita. That is personal. Okay, but see, this is not your personal app, right? Yash or Arshita or whoever. This is not our personal app. We are using the resources of the organization, and how we are going to benefit out of it. That's what my very prime question. And you have the answer. I'm telling you. I'm telling you with 100% confidence. You guys have a answer. Just think about it. Otherwise, making this tool, it is not useful, right? Just connecting with people. I just rang up somebody and can say, I just WhatsApp. I say, right? I do the
See,
same thing,
one
right?
thing,
Via mobile or email. But connecting with people, with our own crewmates or crew family, how does it impact benefit to the organization?
see, one thing is this is going to enhance the employee engagement.
Okay, now you are coming closer.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
now
little
you are
closer. I got
coming
your
closer.
question very
Now
Okay,
you're coming closer. So engagement. So what is the benefit
correct.
of the engagement?
See, by engaging the people, like the entire organization or the team becomes more lively, well connected. They'll be involved. Again, these are all explanations for the employee engagement part.
Yash, I find it the lack of preparedness for this session. I think you guys should have prepared before, because you're
No, that
presenting
was
to
only
the
one
jury.
benefit I
Sir,
said,
there is
Sai.
not only connected purpose, it have a break time also. So this is not have a connected purpose because this also have a chai break section in for the employee when free time because then we have a tea break, so he can play the games also. And when have a discussion on going on office, so they can send their opinion also. So for example, in
Harshita.
office they are making a plan for trip, so they can tell their
No, see
opinion
all
in
this
this
explanation, Harshita,
inside
all this
box.
explanation connecting clicks or celebrations, calendar, chat, or all these things are explanation. The outcome is engagement. Absolutely. But how does the engagement is going to help the organization as a whole?
So, so the first one is the employee engagement. And apart from that, I also see by what Mr. says, it also acts as a platform for exchanging ideas and maybe improve the communications, building the talents within the team.
Yash, I think it is coming just now, I mean, on this session, but what we expected, it has to be prepared before the session. The point number 1, 2, 3, 4, that no, so when the jury asks, you should have that answer, but now it is coming up. So yeah, it has to be prepared.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
because you raised that question, I had to mention the one of the reasons why we didn't have a separate presentation for this was in our last presentation for the DMOD team, we came up with the presentation, but then we didn't want too much time to be spent on the presentation. So we wanted to directly take you through the app. So that's the reason. But anyway, I think
Okay.
these are a few benefits which I felt from this particular idea.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Yash and Harshita.
Thank you. So,
And
any
anything
other
else?
question?
Oh, nothing from my side, Rajan.
Yeah, fair enough. Anything, Mohan?
No, sir. That's it from
Rajan,
my
Rajan,
Okay.
just 2 minutes. I wanted Mr. because to explain this, the last part, what she mentioned, the chai
Uh-huh.
break thing.
Uh-huh. Sure. Just 2 minutes.
Yeah, just 2 minutes. Yeah, Mr. Can you just take through this chai break thing?
Okay, sir.
What exactly it is?
Sir, actually, chai break is one features in this app. When employees spending a tea break time, so they have bored to spend time. So then they can play this game. For example, I start the game. So this is the word builder. So I'm building this word like so I have that score for node. So this is for just fun. I have a game like Bubble Shooter, then Emoji Decode, Doodle Duel, Voice Impression, Office Run, certain games.
What are the tools that you used, Ashriya?
Yes, sir. Firebase and ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm.
I collected the code from Firebase and then it's polished by the ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I want Team Vikram to evaluate this particular part of it, right? It's very important.
Sure, sir, definitely.
Yeah.
Can you
Okay.
please go
Then
to emoji decode? What is the emoji decode, Harshita?
Emoji Decode. Okay, sir. Actually, Emoji Decode is a simple game. For example, this is a emoji house and this is house. I'll type here house, and this is a party emoji. I'll make a party. So I submit. If it's correct, so it will get correct. If it's not correct, it's told in big. And I also can hear hint also.
Okay, so can you play
Here was
individual
party.
play or with the team? So how does it works? Can
Individual
you work
games,
as a
sir.
team? Okay, individual. Can we make it
But
as a
we have
group
a
game?
group game also. Like for
Mhm.
example, Doodle Duel. It's a Doodle Duel. For example, in office, crewmates are give a challenge to them to they make. For example, this game is Doodle Doodle. So I have to create one. Okay. I have, for
Okay.
example, my friend challenged me to draw a mouse.
Okay, I got it. Okay, so Harshita, can we
Okay,
make that
draw a
game as
mouse.
a Okay, I got it, Harshita. Thank you. Doodle Doodle, I understood. But for the emoji decode, can we make it as a group game? Is it possible, or it can be played only an individual game?
Yeah, it can make.
I mean, 2-3 members can play.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you. What else we
Okay.
have?
Apart for these games, what is the tool that you used to integrate to Crew Connect?
Firebase, sir.
Firebase. Okay.
Firebase
So
and
you use only
ChatGPT.
Firebase and ChatGPT. Only these two.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah, Shri.
So, Arshita, I have a very quick question here. So, I really love this app. If this can be matched with DC Live or something like that, I'll be very happy. The quick question is, I mean, the effort what you made is really wonderful, but the game, whatever you installed or whatever the tabs which I see on the left-hand side, right? From the backend, can we get the data something like which are the tabs has been maximized used by the people? Is that those kind of data can we get it? Can we get those things? Yes, am I audible?
Yeah, you are Shilaka.
Ma'am,
Shilaka,
actually,
I
we are
mean,
not implementable.
Okay, but is that is possible? That's my question. For example, you have taken so much of effort, but in future you want to see like which part of this thing has been used a lot. For that you need it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
maybe we can go with the survey model, Shilaka.
No, definitely those things
Yes.
when once the AI tool everything is getting explored, right? So definitely we want to know like which is used and how we are using it, like. So that's why I just
Absolutely.
want to know. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay, sure. So, okay, right. Fair enough. So, any questions, Ganga, Team Vikram?
No, sir. So I think they have done the UI. So when we are integrating the backend, I'm pretty sure this will be a very big project and all that. Yeah, but hands off for the wonderful UI and all that. I think they must have taken a lot of time even to develop this. So yeah, that's it from my side. So yeah. So I don't.
Exactly. You're absolutely right, because having come to the top 38 from 110 entries is one part of it, which is commendable. You guys have taken a lot of effort to have the UI in place, but the backend is what we need to be very clear on. I think if had you taken some effort or some thought process on that, this would have been a wonderful overall. Holistically, it would have been wonderful, actually.
Yes.
Anyway,
Agreed.
I think it's a learning curve. I'm sure each one of you will be able to do better moving forward. Thank you so much for your time, Yash and team, Harshita, Mishriya, and Syed Mohan.
So I think we don't have the other team, so I think they're not here.
They're not come? They're not here?
They're not here. No, I don't think they're here.
Okay, we'll disqualify that.
Team, are you here? So I have just team Dream Chasers.
And congratulations, team. I mean, I must say that thank you so much for this wonderful session and presentation, and for all the efforts you have made so far. It's wonderful.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks everyone. And sorry, as technically we were not that prepared in terms of the technical aspects and all. But yes, I think so there was some learning curve, and thank you.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the
very
best,
much.
yes, yeah.
Thank you, Rajan sir. Thank you, Mohan. Yeah, thank you.
So,
Thank you.
so
Thank you.
we have only one today, right? Sure.
Yes, sir. The other team didn't join. Yeah.
Okay, right.
Thank
Now
you.
understand from them what is the issue, and then we'll discuss again. Not a problem.
Sure, sir.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Obviously,
Yeah.
for tomorrow, we will stick to the same schedule which was published, right? Or is there any change?
Yes, we'll stick to the same schedule. Only in case if they have any client call, if there is any changes, only we'll be there. But we'll update in the morning itself if there is any change in advance.
Yeah, please, because
Okay.
yeah, fine.
Yeah,
That works. That works. Yeah.
We'll do that. We'll do that.
Sure.
Thanks, Yash. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mohan. Thank you, Judy. Thanks a lot.
Thanks,
Thank
Priyanka.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Abbas. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Arshita, great effort, Arshita. Kudos to you and your team.